Hey guys, Steve from Internet City Computers Detroit here with our channel Fix It Right. Today we're going to show you a MacBook Air that the girl who owns it had a candle next to it, and she bumped the candle and guess what? It went all over the keyboard, in the charging ports, in the headphone jack. I mean, what a mess. Anyways, we're going to clean this out and hopefully bring it back to life and make it brand new again. So come on, let's go. Yep, in the keys, I've already cleaned out some of it, but we're going to use some little tools. I have a little dental tool here, little dental tool, 15 bucks on the internet, stainless steel, fits perfectly in these keys. And I have a little toothbrush, it's a cleaning brush, and I have my towel, and I'm going to go to town, spend some time, and I'm going to clean this keyboard and get it working again. I already cleaned out the ports because these were filled with solid wax. I'll give them another cleaning and then blow them out. But keep your candles away from your computers. Seriously. All right. Hope you enjoyed that video. Look at this. Clean as a whistle. Well, here's the outcome. After a thorough cleaning, we got all the wax off. Everything works beautifully. So if you liked that video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos from Fix It Right. Adios.